So when you are dividing, you can use the song to help you. And if you want to, you can kind of think about this little key over here, and you can use the song to help you remember the order, right? So first we must divide. So when we divide, what we want to ask ourselves is how many times does this divisor here, in this case it's an 8, how many 8s, if any, can we pull out of this first digit we see? Happens to be in the 10 spot. It is a 90, but we can just look at it like a 9. So we can say, well, we can pull out 1, 8, 16. We can't do 2. We don't have 16. We can pull out 1, 8, right? So we've divided 1, 8 out of 9. So then we multiply. And as you multiply, you say, well, what am I multiplying? I'm multiplying what I just divided, right? So the first step moves into the second. So 8 times 1 is 8. So we've used up essentially 80 of our 95 whatever's numbers, digits, things that we have here. So then we must subtract. And as we subtract, we're saying, how many do we have left? We've used up 80. How much is left? We have 110 left, 9 minus 8. Then we drop it down. So we're going to say, are there any other digits? What's the next place value spot? Next place value spot is our 1s. We have 5 in there. Doop, doop, doop. So then we have 15 left. And what we're going to do with that 15 is check. And what we check for is, can we pull any more 8s out of 15, or is 15 our remainder? Are we done? 8, 16. Well, I know I can pull at least an 8 out of 15, so then we repeat. And when we repeat, what that means is we go back to the top. Don't know where the eraser is, so we're going to choose a different color. So then we go back to the top and we say, all right, first we must divide. So again, we're going to divide. So how many 8s can I divide or pull out of 15? 8, 16, I can only pull 1. Then we multiply. 8 times 1 is 8 again. And subtract, which is 7. Then we bring it down. And when we bring it down, we go, oh no, there's no more digits. We can't bring anything else down. So we can't bring it down, but we can still check. And we want to check to make sure that our math is correct, right? That we haven't forgotten to pull any 8s out. So 8, can we pull any 8s out of 7? Well, no, 7's smaller, right? So we can't pull any 8s. So we've checked. We don't need to repeat. So 7 becomes our remainder. 7. So we can pull out 11 8s from 95 with 7 left over out of 8. Oh, that's supposed to be an 8 because it's our divisor.